Hey everyone, welcome to my Twitch channel. I'm Emily Drouin and I'm going to be teaching you all how to draw Baby Yoda. Who's excited? So get out your pencils, pens, and paper, and if you have a digital tablet, get out your digital tablet and draw along, okay? And this will be available too after the live stream. And feel free to leave a message in the chat window. Okay, so again, thank you all for joining me, and this is a learned cartooning lesson, the first one of hopefully many that I'll do and more often. And if you guys follow my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/EmilyAtPlay, and you can check out my website, emilyatplay.com, to view more of my art. So let's get started. So what you'll want to do is get a fresh sheet of paper out and your pens ready and pencils. So we're going to be drawing Yoda and using basic shapes. So if you can draw a circle, a triangle, you can draw this, okay, you guys? So we're going to start with, here you can see on the side, a reference point for our characters. We're going to draw Yoda using an oval for his head. Okay. So an oval for his head, and we're just drawing rough here. Next, we're going to draw his ears. So he has some like triangular ears, okay? And next we're going to do a couple of lines, curvy lines on either side below his head. And we're going to repeat this curved line, so we're making a curved rectangle, okay? And right about in the middle, we're going to draw a little line, diagonal line across. Next, we'll do a rounded triangle for his body, okay? And we'll do a couple of ovals for his arms. Let's make them kind of going into his body here. And I'm just going to erase this part. And he doesn't have too much of little feet, just little tiny triangles we're going to draw for his toes, okay? On either side. And you can repeat that shape for little toenails. And we'll draw, let's draw one more. So 3. This one's going to be a little smaller than the others, okay? Next, draw his little fingers on the side here. So we're going to do 3. And one little one's going to be behind. So 3 ovals. Another little one behind. And we'll do a couple little nails, little oval shapes again. Now let's go back to the ears. We're going to do a little curvy line going across the ear. And then let's do a little squiggle, a little curve right inside here of the ear. And right about here where we drew that, in the rounded rectangle, we're going to do follow this S-shaped pattern, okay? across his body. So a little swervy S shape. Now let's do his eyes. So we'll draw some big ovals. And these are a bit far apart, okay? And I'm going to do, kind of color them in. And we'll just do a couple little highlights here. Alien eyes. Well, let's draw a little nose. So going right in between his eyes, we'll do that little curved bump. And then above his eyes, we'll do the letter M. Now right below his nose, we'll repeat that letter M, but let's make it the letter W. Okay. All right, so this is looking like pretty much done. Let's just do a couple little hairs on his head, maybe a little cute. All right, so that's Yoda standing up. Next we're gonna do, let's draw Yoda in a different way. And here, we're gonna draw him in a little pod. So, Baby Yoda in a pod. All right, so if you wanna get out another sheet of paper, or flip over the other sheet of paper. We're gonna start with the pod shape, okay? So let's draw some circles. So we're gonna start with, this is the top of the pod. Draw a circle here. And then we're gonna do another circle below that, okay? All right, so there's 2 circles. And what I'm gonna do is just erase this little curvy line that's in the middle here. Next, I'm going to do a couple little bumps here. So we're gonna do right in the middle here, a bump and another bump. And let's do another little bump and another little bump here. Now we're gonna follow, remember how we did that curvy rectangle? We're gonna do another curvy rectangle. And we're gonna do another one in the middle. So I'm just doing a couple hash lines here, then I'm gonna connect them and do another curvy rectangle. And we're gonna draw 3 squares inside the rectangle. Now I'm going to draw Yoda in here in the upper circle. So let's do an oval for his head. And we'll draw his ears, so those curvy triangular ears. And I'll just erase that little part here. Inside his ears. And I'm going to do a couple little bumps here. So let's do a bump here and another curvy bump here on either side. And we'll do that diagonal line in the center. Okay. And let's do that curvy line in his ears, the little separation line, and that little C shape inside his ear. All right, so now let's do his eyes. So we'll do some ovals, a bit far apart from each other, and I'll color that in. And we'll just do those highlights. For his eyes. Let's do the letter M above in between his eyes, and then a little bump for his nose, and then below that the letter W. Okay. And I'll do a couple little hairs on his head. Now let's draw a couple bumps here for his arm, and then we'll draw his fingers. Okay. And you can put in his little nails. And lastly, we're going to do one more arch in that circle up here at the top. All right, so that is Baby Yoda in a pod. Great job, you guys. Well, I hope you had a lot of fun today in drawing these Baby Yoda. And so we're going to be doing some more drawings too. We'll be continuing doing this, try to do this a couple of times a week. And you can follow on our Twitch channel. Again, it'll be doing lessons at 4 p.m. And I'll be posting it on our KidsCon page as well as on our Twitch. Again, you can follow our twitch.tv/EmilyAtPlay. And also check out KidsCon New England. So this is our event coming up June 14th at the Radisson, Nashua, New Hampshire. And you can meet all sorts of fun comic book creators and participate in over a dozen creative workshops and get lots of art and books and have a lot of fun. We encourage everyone to dress up. And you can check out at more information at kidsconne.com. And also if you go on our Facebook page, it would be KidsConNE on Facebook. And I'll also be notifying about these upcoming videos again. Okay. All right. And if you guys want to leave a comment as to what you'd like to draw for future episodes, I'd love to hear it. So you can leave us a comment below in this chat or also on our Facebook, kidsconne.com. KidsConNE on Facebook. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for coming, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a great day. Oh, and one more thing. I got an awesome free coloring page for you guys. So if you want to go on our facebook.com/kidsconne, you can pick up that free coloring page. I also have more free coloring pages on emilyatplay.com. So print it out and comment in our Facebook with your coloring pages. We'd love to see them. So thank you again so much for coming, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. And show us your art. We'd love to see your creations, what you drew today. Thank you so much. Take care. Stay healthy. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.